Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today on Monday. Yes, Monday we have sad news because here we have Monday, February the 15th, 2021. We have a no newspaper received from the Paperboy. And what is the cause? Because the weather of last week, the big snowfall, although snow is melting, and so it's too slippery to send the paper boys to deliver the paper. So the publisher decided not to deliver the newspaper. Only online you can only online a newspaper is available. So I have downloaded this puzzle page and printed this out, and you can see here one Sudoku Medium, only one regular Sudoku, and we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 extra Sudokus. All right. So the first one I will do is a medium Sudoku of today's newspaper. Yes. Let me center the puzzle. All right. So this one will be a number 2329, and it's today Monday, February 15th, 2021. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, let me do this. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 3 is 14, plus 4 is 18, plus 2 is 20, 24, plus 2 is 26 printed digits. So this one, if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, Sudokus. In additional, this will be a 2 stars Sudoku. All right, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 9 in this column, the 9 in the third column, so the column between, the second column. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then number 5 and 6. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6 in this row, 6 in the second row, so in the third row. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. two of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 8. We have a 4 and an 8 in the first row, so no 4 and an 8 in those two boxes. The 4 and the 8 goes in these two boxes. Let me mark those two boxes, 4 and 8, 4 and 8. So the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 5 and 3. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two numbers. First row, two missing numbers. For the numbers 1 and 9, we see here 1. No 1 there, 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be there. Now we have a 4 there, so this can't be a 4 anymore. This box should be the 4, and this should be an 8. Two boxes left in this row, the second row, for the numbers 8 and 2. Let me mark those two numbers. Cannot fill this directly. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And now, how about the 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so in the column next. The only three places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 9. All right. Then. How about these 5 missing numbers? One of the missing numbers is 4 in this big square. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes, therefore no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4, should be there. Alright, now in this row, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Then 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 4 should be in there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. All right. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes in this big square. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then. Yeah. 1, 6, 3. Alright. We have a 5 in this row. 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. These two numbers in the first column, 1, 2, 3 is missing, 4, 5, and a 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two numbers. 1, 7, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the third column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here. Oh, there we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above, so in that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. How about those 2 numbers in the third column? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 8 is missing. 5 and 8 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 numbers. And those 2 numbers in this big square, the other 2 numbers are the 3 and the 2. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3 cannot fill this yet. Up here, here up here, there up here, here up here. Alright. So we have 3 missing numbers here. One of those numbers is a 3 in this big square. That means in this column, this box cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be the 3 and this box should be a 5. Alright. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in the last column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here. Oh, there we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. Now we have a 6 there, so this box cannot be 6 anymore. This box should be the 6. This should be a 3. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Alright. 1 box left in this row for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can't be 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be an 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and an 8 goes there. Then 1 number left in this column for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 3 is missing. 1 number left in this column for the number 8 is missing. Yes. Now we have a 3 here, so this box can't be 3 anymore. This box should be the 3, and this should be a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 5. Yeah, 1 and 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. The last column, 2 boxes left. The 2 and the 8. 2 and the 8. And look, we have an 8 now, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 2. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 3 goes there. Now we have an 8 here, so this box can't be 8 anymore. This box should be an 8. And this should be a 5. Alright. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be a 5. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Sudoku Medium. Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.